A very warm and refreshing good morning to all of you. I am Sonu and I would like to share my point of views over the topic of science is a boon or ban. And I would like to speak for the motion science is boon. Science has been one of the greatest blessings for humanity. It has completely changed the way we live, think, work and calculate. From the invention of the wheel to the creation of computers, science has always worked at the center for human progress. The word science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge, and science seeks explain the word how and why. Earlier times, people died from diseases like cholera, smallpox, and plague, but because there were no proper treatment. But now people have great vaccines, antibiotics, and advanced surgeries that save millions of life. And during COVID-19 pandemic, with the help of medical science, our scientists developed medicines in a short time that show the power and the limit of the power and speed of medical science. And it has also aware people about hygiene, sanitation, and about nutrition. Before COVID-19 pandemic, there were not any people do not attention to hygiene, cleanliness, and anything. But after COVID-19, they were doing attention on hygiene, sanitation, paying attention on hygiene and sanitation. And if I talk about the other advantages of science, so the invention of electricity has completely changed the way has completely changed the human life forever. And uh, it powers to our house, offices, hospitals, schools, and even our industry. All sectors are dependent on electricity. With the help of electricity, without electricity we cannot imagine our life. And it is developed by the advancement of science, and the inventions like television, radio, computers, laptops, and other inventions has changed our life completely. If we want to get information and what happening in the world, so with the help of television, smartphone, and the internet, we can easily get information, connect whole the world. And with the help of internet, we can connect to everyone. And we have now video call, and with the help of video call, we can connect to everyone and share our feeling and emotions to everyone. And one of the greatest blessings of science is the inventions of transportation. With the help of transportation, we can eat breakfast in Delhi, lunch in New York, and dinner at Australia. And if we want to go anywhere, so we can go anywhere in the world in a few hours with the help of aeroplanes. And there are a lot of other vehicles. That helps us to go anywhere. And space exploration has also used people to reach on the moon, and allow people to get information about outer space. And GPS, global position system, weather forecasting, alarming disaster, and other that all are products of science. And science has also helped students in education and communication. In ancient times, education was limited to books and classrooms. But with the help of internet, computers, and laptops, students can watch educational videos and attend online classes, and join with teachers from anywhere in the world. And get information about their teachers. And space science has expanded our understanding of the universe. And lot of organizations like NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and Indian Space Research Organization, and other organizations in different countries has expanded our understanding about the universe, and give us lot of information about the universe. And this helps us this expanded our understanding. If I talk about an example of advancement of science, so in China, the scientists, with the help of artificial intelligence, they make a artificial bridge with the help of AI, and it turns the distance of 2 hours into 2 minutes. And this shows the power of artificial intelligence. And with the help of AI, people can do anything. If they want to do any creative, so they use AI. And so they must use AI. And it also helps the students in studies. We must use it positively. If we do not use wisely, then it may be harm. But but the ratio of boon or van is 9:1, and science is truly boon for us. So thank you.